is long, but after the 8 kilometers you can actually drive to Overside. So the Golden Horn is different than the Bosphorus. Bosphorus is the place which connects two continents, but this one is connecting, I mean, kind of a river connecting between the European side. And the building on your left hand side on the top of a hill, the mosque, I'm sorry, the mosque is named as Süleymaniye Mosque, and this one was built by Sultan Süleyman the Magnificent in 1557. So this one is one of the biggest mosques in Istanbul. And we just crossed, we are around the old town now, and you can also see right in front of us, we have aqueduct. So you can see there are some gaps and it's like a bridge. So this one, in the Roman period, it was built in the 2nd century. It was built by Septimius Severus. And also he was the emperor at that time. And it was used to move the water from spring to the city. So this kind of bridges, on the top of it there are some holes, and the water, like a river, it's like artificial river. They used to bring the fresh water from the forest to middle of the city, and they used to collect them in the cisterns, underground empty areas, underground water storage actually. So we had over than 100 cisterns in the old town underground. They used to fill them with fresh water, and everyone, most of the big houses, they used to have their own pits on their courtyard. So by this way they were able to reach the fresh water from their courtyard. So now we're just moving underneath of the place. And by the way, Istanbul is very much looking like any other Western countries, because in 1923 we became Turkish Republic, a democratic country and a secular country. So 95% of the population is Muslim in Turkey, but we are very much looking like any other Western countries, because the general people, they are not strictly Muslim anymore. So around like 30% of the population is strictly Muslim, but usually they are located on the eastern part of Turkey. And we also have a lot of mosques in Istanbul, around 3,336 of them. But unfortunately, most of them are empty, because only 4% of the population goes to mosque, go out. But even though you can see many people are walking, these are the workers in some hotel, in some places. So if you don't have anything to do, then you're not allowed to go out. There's a curfew today. And during the weekdays, we have curfew after 9. We buy to the restaurant. So we will all get off, and I will take you to the restaurant. And our bus number is 3. Okay? Bus number. Şu bayrak var ya, tam karşıdaki küçük bayrak. Onun orası.
Bu restorana nasıl giriyoruz abi? Evet. Bu da iyi.
You don't need to take your luggages. You just, if you have a bag, if you need it during the meal, then you can take it. But if you don't want to, you can leave everything in the bus.